Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In my last video, I reviewed the pros and cons of using this beast, an iMac 27-inch from 2009, over 15 years later. Today I'm diving into a major upgrade I attempted, replacing the original video card to finally unlock Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, and even testing Cinebench in 2025. This iMac came with a non-metal supported VGA card with just 512 megabytes of memory. That meant no Adobe Suite, no Photoshop, no Lightroom, at least not the desktop versions. I was stuck using the web versions, which, let's be honest, are not ideal for batch edits or serious photography work. Cinebench wouldn't even launch. So while the machine was fine for basic tasks, it was a no-go for anything graphics intensive. Apple has long abandoned support for this model, but as I mentioned before, I managed to upgrade it to macOS Sequoia, yes, the current version in 2025, using OpenCore Legacy Patcher. To push things further, I decided to upgrade the GPU. I found a cheap Nvidia KT1100 on eBay for just £20. About $25. Installation was straightforward, and there are plenty of tutorials online if you want step-by-step instructions. But here's where things got messy. After installing the card and rebooting, the iMac was sluggish. System Profiler showed a mystery 22 megabyte card with no name. Not ideal. Turns out this is a known issue, fixable with a firmware flash or config tweak. But that's way beyond my skill set. I tried everything I could, but eventually the iMac refused to boot, not even in safe mode. So I made the call to reformat the iMac and reinstall macOS High Sierra, the last officially supported version. Then I reinstalled OpenCore Legacy Patcher and upgraded to Sequoia again. And guess what? The new video card was finally detected properly. No more mystery GPU. No more sluggish performance. Photoshop and Lightroom 2024 now run natively. No more web versions. Cinebench finally works too, though the results are modest, which is expected for a budget card in a 2009 machine. But for my photography workflow, this upgrade was absolutely worth it. I can now edit locally, batch process, and even preview updates for macOS Tahoe, though I won't be installing that anytime soon. So was it worth the hassle? As a photographer, I'd say yes. It wasn't plug and play, and it took some trial and error, but this iMac still has life left in it. Will this iMac remain one of my primary machines? The answer is yes. Despite its age, it's now capable of running the tools I need. And I'm not done yet. I'm planning a few more upgrades to make it even more modern and capable, so stay tuned and subscribe.